Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So because this is such a short video, I'm not going to take up too much of the audio, but I do want to let you guys know that I brought this wig from my beauty supply store, but you guys can purchase it on Amazon. It is going to be a little bit more money. I think I paid like $100 for it. I think on Amazon it's probably like 100 plus. It's not that much. And it is the Cloud9 Swiss lace, and I'm gonna leave the link in my description box below. I've had this I've had this wig for about a year, and this is my second time installing it. I originally installed it on my TikTok, so if you're not following me on there, make sure you go and follow me, and I'll also leave that link in the description box as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and just continue to watch. Oh yeah, before I leave, the beads did not come with the wig. I put the beads on myself, and I believed I used about 4 to 5 packs, and I alternated between different types of beads and different sizes because I wanted to go for like a neutral hippie type of look. But yeah, that's it so far. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. I'll jump back in at the end when I show you guys the finished look. But yeah, thank you. Enjoy. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look, and when I tell y'all, it like I installed this wig literally in like 10 minutes. It was so quick and so freaking easy. And I know somebody's gonna ask me about the back. Here's how the back looks. It still looks cute, not too fake, and the wig was not heavy at all. I actually love it. I still got it. As you can see, I'm gonna continue wearing it, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, everything you need to know will be in the description box. Please leave a comment and let me guys know what you think, because I love it, like especially on my dark skin. Yeah, period. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.